Hello everyone, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to turn off your location on your iPhone. If you want to learn, then you can stay with me, otherwise you can ignore my video. So first of all, I want to say you why you can turn off your location. So you see this and other default apps on my iPhone. Now I'm see like Kato temperature 29 and heavy raining. It's coming and showing here because my location is on right now. Also, many apps track me like Facebook and Uber, like that. Many apps want to enable location. So if you want to all apps you want to just disable your location, you don't need this service, then you can just turn off. So how you can do it? So I just show you how you can do it. Like, so first you see settings, tap here, and here is the menu option. You see a similar type of interface. Then you can just type here location. Here is showing many apps like you see camera and find my and Facebook, in graph, in drive. So similar like that, many apps take my location and track me. So if you want to disable your location tracking, you can just tap here like location service. Now coming pop-up, need to permission like that, turn off. Yeah. Now anybody cannot access to you. If you see, then my like other apps, it's not showing because they showing the notification like location access needed. If you like I enable here, then if I see here, it's coming. So that's it. So if you want to disable, then you can follow my video and please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.